What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're talking about Tesla, why I think it's likely that it falls back down to around $100. And so let's just get right into it. So let me just preface this with saying that Tesla is, in fact, I believe it's still my largest position of any of my investments. You know, with crypto blowing up, I'm not completely sure, but pretty sure it's getting close. But anyways, so Tesla has already been under pressure. You know, I think people, there's a lot of different things you can focus on with this company because it's doing so many different things, but ultimately its growth has slowed down significantly. You know, I believe like less than 2 years ago, they were saying that they were expecting about 50% growth in revenue for the next, you know, foreseeable years. That quickly got squashed. And I believe their last quarter was, I think it was barely double digits. So, you know, that's a huge change in guidance. And there's really no end in sight to this, or I shouldn't say there's no end in sight, but in the near future, there's no predicted increase in growth. They basically said 2024 is going to be another slow year in growth. And it's probably going to continue this way until they start, you know, the production of their next gen vehicle, the $25,000 vehicle, which they haven't even revealed yet. So, you know, 2024 is going to be a tough year in terms of the business. The stock obviously has already been hit, and so some of that's priced in, but I think there is just mostly negative catalysts in 2024. So I do think that the stock is likely to face more pressure. Obviously, macro dynamics will feed into this. You know, if the stock market starts going crazy bullish, then it probably won't reach $100. But I think, you know, we've already had a big run in the stock market, so I think it's likely that we do have a major cool off at some point relatively soon. And so, so I think $100 is likely. So what else, what other catalysts lead me to this conclusion? So we've got the Cybertruck. Obviously, there's a lot of unknown about the Cybertruck, you know, how quickly they'll be able to ramp that up. Again, Elon Musk said that will take a while and that they won't be able to reach full-scale production for 18 months. So that, again, 2024, not much to look forward to there for the Cybertruck. And even when it goes to full ramp, it's not going to be a major mover in revenue for Tesla. It'll be a nice marketing piece, but that's really the most that it will do for the businesses as a, you know, a big marketing tool. I mean, it's a great product. I've never been in one, but it looks like a great product, but I'm just saying it won't really move the needle financially for Tesla. Now, the other thing that's been happening is not only is their revenue decreasing, or their revenue growth, I mean, but their profit has been decreasing. And this is really, it's supposed to be a growth company. And not only is the revenue decreasing, the revenue growth, but as I just said, the income is decreasing. And so, you know, there's just a double whammy. So, you know, really the only reason it still has such a high valuation is because of the wild cards, you know, which I would say the biggest ones being Elon Musk being CEO, you know, because he's just accomplished such incredible things, as well as the Tesla robot. But that's, you know, we really don't know when that's going to happen. He said that they'll start shipping it, I believe, late next year. But do we really believe that? I don't know. There's a lot of unknown with that, as well as the full self-driving. And again, there's a lot of unknown with that. He's been saying that it's coming next year for, I think, about 6 years, if not more. And so there's just a lot of unknown. And the things that we do know are just getting more and more bearish, you know, which is what I previously talked about, the revenue and the profit. So, really, there's not too much to look forward to in 2024. The only thing that, I mean, there are a few positive catalysts, but I think they're much outweighed by the negative catalysts. You know, some of the positive catalysts are, now you can claim the tax benefit right when you buy the vehicle, I believe, which could increase demand significantly. But I'm not sure if the public is aware of that. Honestly, you know, I've barely heard anybody talking about it. And we've also got interest rates as a potentially positive catalyst. But, you know, again, if interest rates start being brought down, that signifies that there's probably something bad going on in the economy. So the bullishness of the interest rates going down will probably be mitigated by whatever bad thing that's happening in the economy that causes them to lower interest rates. So, yeah, again, Tesla's my largest position. I've been an investor since I believe 2018, maybe late 2017. And, I want it to remain my largest position. It's my highest conviction, long-term investment. And so I kind of hope it goes to $100 so I can, increase my position. So, you know, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree. And I'll see you in the next video.